Reflection.
Empire right here. You don't see it? No. Hey, you know what? Screw you. Yeah, we're gonna go out running. Screw you guys. It's sensitive. Delete that. It's not being deleted.
So we're on webcam with Kevin. Me and Jojo here, Puerto Rican Baby, YouTube / that. Check her out. So this camera's about like 5 pounds. It's heavy. It is. Wait, she's gonna hold it. How sweet of her. Oh my gosh. We haven't been on in a month. When I told you guys that I'll make a video the next day, but I did say maybe pay attention next time. Okay? So she's laughing.
See, you guys have to pay attention, duh.
Duh. Come on. Wait, this is gonna be really short. It's like 9. It's like 9 o'clock right now, and why is the room spinning? I'm getting kind of dizzy. Oh my god!
What do you have to say about this?
Nothing much. Just glad to be on camera. On camera.
You're a superstar.
I'm camera on the camera.
That's weird.
Yeah, that's weird.
I know.
You look blue.
Hello. Well, me and Gabriel were preparing for a run in the park. You know, a beautiful day like today. And we're being Spanish with our Spanish music. And there's Gabriel, and he's making sandwiches. And we're gonna go for a run, and we're gonna make sandwiches. So
I need my calories.
we need calories to burn calories. So if that you know.
Well, it does make sense.
It does, right?
Yeah.
We need calories to burn calories. So what? Why am I looking that way? I'm sorry. Anyway, so this camera's heavy. I have a new camera. Well, it's not new. It's old, but I got a couple years ago, and well, I didn't use it for a while because I couldn't do anything with it because the new computer that I couldn't, or I don't know what to function with it. So the other day I plugged it in just for the hell of it and inputted it all 464 videos from today to 2008. It was just ridiculous. I was like, wow. So maybe I'll upload some old video clips of us a long time ago. So
She's saying that the trains be fucked up on the weekends.
I know.
He says he knows all that time.
She told me just now.
He said he knows.
But like how, like, can it? So we got some birds. Now I don't know what I know much about birds. I don't know they're the kind of bird this is, but they're big, and they gave us what you gonna give them?
Give some crackers.
Polly wants a cracker. I'm just gonna call them Polly and
Jolly.
Polly and Jolly. That's their name.
Can you tell them apart?
Well,
Let's see here.
that one behind the one on the gate, his hair's always up, and that one isn't always up.
Well, it's kind of up right now. Well, that one here, this one's longer.
Yeah, so that's talking.
That's a fucking kick ass. Hey, you want a fucking cracker?
Eat it, birdie.
Yeah, you want a cracker. Apparently this one doesn't want a fucking cracker. Okay, this one's scared of crackers.
Scared.
I know I need to get a haircut.
What?
I know I need to get a haircut.
You do.
I like to eat apples and bananas.
Camera. I mean the thing.
Ah, shit.
Oh shit, it's back on you.
Oh, you're a douche.
But actually, the camera never left your face.
What is that supposed to mean?
It's been on the mirror.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck.
Idiot!
Loser.
Yeah, we were recording your every movement, man.
Like this.
Yeah, man, it's encyclopedic ways, man.
Encyclopedic ways? What the fuck does that mean, Gil? Do you even understand what you're saying?
No, I don't, but apparently you do. You douche.
Me and Kevin are trying to light this candle, and then not very good with matches. I'm not. So I said, Kevin, can you do this? So he's trying.
Well, I could do it. This is fuck, man.
How many times have you burned yourself? Like
twice.
Twice? We tried in my room, we tried lighting it, and then we were like, let's go to the kitchen with his water, because Kevin kept burning himself. It's hilarious. It's just hilarious when he burns himself, isn't it? It's funny! And
That's your life of shit.
smelling candle to go. Hold it there. Oh, come on.
I can't get it. This shit burns.
Oh, just go. Hold it there. Oh, come on.
Oh my god. Close. I'm gonna try it for him.
I'm saying maybe he will, have some endurance to light this candle. How difficult is this, huh?
Put my hand through it. But
kind of a tight fit, isn't it, Kevin?
real tight.
That's what she said. Well, what he said. Unless, she's... Never mind.
If I could... Well, that works.
Yeah. That'll work. Go.
See that shit?
What? Ew, it stinks. Smells like like some type of Santeria thing. What is this? What happened?
You ain't see it? Look.
Why is it red? You're bleeding. Ew.
You got some on thumb.
I don't know what Kevin just did, but it was scary. I'm walking through our hallway, like through this darkness right here. It's really dark. Wow. I was walking through here, and Kevin just pops out of this area like, nah, but like some weird noise. It was, do the noise, Kevin. It's too scary for the people of YouTube.
Too scary.
So we're just it's Saturday now, and we're just hanging out. Gabriel's not here today. It's 10:36. We got some wings in there. We're getting some wings, drinking some Gatorade, and we went shopping, got some bread. Want to see our fridge? This is our fridge. This is what we got in the fridge. We got some G, 'cause we work out and stuff, and just food. That's Kevin's pickles, because you can't go wrong. Randall, can you pronounce characters? Right? You got what's going on, Randall?
I'm trying to get you your YouTube downloader, but it's kind of insane. I can't find the one that I have.
First they're sour, then they're sweet.
That was our friend Jalen. She's outside. I'm sweating. I know. It's hot. We're gonna see it. Let's go.
I don't remember. All I
haven't
know
seen
is
them
that they
forever.
said pooty tank. That's all I know.
So Randall was just working on some business, some work here. Just working.
Trying to hack into this site right here.
Yeah. Heck yeah! Wait. She just put my hopes up. Yeah, so
That was the face. I'm sorry.
she just hit Randall with the sandal.
Wait.
I don't know what's going on.
You need to tape these wings together.
I know. Oh! So we got a glider painted by moi. Those Brazilian colors, even though no one here is Brazilian.
Can I have a horror?
Yeah, good work, huh?
They're not perfectly straight, but they're man.
Whoa!
It's the,
Too bad it's too dark for you guys to see that. So why am I filming? I don't know, because I can't.
Let's see. Sing a song. You know that girl that was on your porch when I went over there?
save the
Right there, the wing is damaged. Trying to fix it. One hand is not very good. You can't do much when you're holding a camera.
Well, that's why I'm here, Randall.
Yeah.
We're gonna attack them. We're gonna attack the beasts.
Yes, we're gonna attack the beasts.
Oh my god, this case is getting me mad.
Yes, I'm gonna stop recording now. I just destroyed the wing. Okay, I can see Jesucristo there. There's Darkman Falls.
Okay.
And it just crashed land. Bye.